Hey filmmaker, Chung here. In this video I'm going to show you how to do a circle crop inside of Premiere Pro. This is a quick method and also a nicer way to show a picture in picture instead of having the standard square or a rectangle. So there are two methods to do this. One is that I preferred and the other I don't. So first I'm going to show you a method that I don't really prefer, but most of the people would probably know this method. And this is going into the effects control tab. Here we have opacity, and here we see a circle tool. This is a create ellipse mask, but when we press on it, it will make a mask, but it's an ellipse. It's not a circle. It's not a perfect circle. We can adjust it to be more round. However, it's hard to actually see if it's perfect circular because there isn't a snap into it. So you just have to guess it by eye if it's perfectly circle. So this is a method that I don't prefer because it's not easy to guess if it's correctly a circle, but also it's hard to guess the size. So you don't know if this will be the same size every time you are going to make it, especially if you want to make it bigger and smaller. So when we want this circle to be bigger or smaller, we can actually either drag all four sides, or we drag this square between these two circles, and we can actually make this either smaller or bigger. So now the preferred method, we go to effects, we then go to video effects, go to generate, and we're going to choose circle effect. I'm going to drag this onto this clip. What we'll do, it will generate a white dot first. We're going to change the blending mode to stencil alpha. This will make it into a mask instead of generate a white dot or a white circle. Now we can actually generate or change the radius of this circle to the size that we want. The great thing about this is that we have full control of the radius, and if we are going to change the radius, we know how big it's going to be. So when we are going to use this for example like a lower third, we can easily generate like a circle that's the same size every time. And also we have much more specific control over the center of the circle, so we can also position the circle much better in the same place every time for like a lower third or like for a certain title. So that was mainly it, how to generate a circle inside of Premiere Pro. Hope you guys find this video quite educational, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit the subscribe button here below, and I'll see you guys the next time. Bye bye.